Hello. Today we're making beef ribs, which is one of my favorites. We're putting together a rub right now with onion powder, garlic powder, brown sugar, Cajun seasoning, chili powder, paprika, and oregano. Next, we're going to douse the ribs with liquid smoke. This is optional. And we're also going to cover them with a half a cup of oil. Didn't get that on camera. But here I'm rubbing both sides of the ribs with my rub. Here they are right out the oven. I'm basting them with barbecue sauce and broiling them for about 5 minutes. That's it.